Hey guys, I wanted to show you something else I was up to creating. I altered these photo albums that I got at the dollar store and I turned them into recipe books. I got the idea from someone's channel, I think it was Lyric Lover, I'm not too sure, but I put a ribbon going through the middle and I hot glued a little rosette on top, and as you see, that was scrapbook paper that I laminated and I put it on top of that with a pen attached. Inside, you'll see that I have enclosed some recipe cards and I backed them with scrapbook paper. So this is just an example, a real quick one and not a very good one I may add, but just to show what's in the inside, and it took so very little time to create. And it's good to sell at craft fairs for people that want to purchase recipe books, and they can write their recipes in with their pen that I've enclosed. And these are the packaging that I created with the toppers, and I used a doily and a sticker and I put it inside. So it should look a little pretty for the display. These are my melt and pour soaps. I found a video and I figured I'd explain it. I sprayed it with rubbing alcohol to get the bubbles out, and this is the peppermint I included and I put inside, and these are how I plan on displaying them, and these are already packaged already, and they're on their way to be packaged and put on display for the very next craft fair. Well, once again, thanks for watching.